If you want more precision on the placement, size, and distribution of your furniture, you can use the Draw tool within the Furnish tool in Pedra. In this way, you will get a virtual staging that fits much better what you're looking for in terms of positioning of the furniture, sizing, and placement, okay? I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. So you're gonna head to Pedra, you're gonna select your image, click on Edit with AI and Furnish. Then you're gonna click on Draw, and then you're gonna draw over the image all the parts that you want edited. Everything you cover in orange will or might be edited. Everything you don't cover in orange won't be edited at all, okay? So it's very important to mark what you want to be edited in orange, okay? Edited in terms of furniture that will be placed. So as you can see here, we're marking in orange all the parts that we want to edit, okay? And where the furniture will basically appear, okay? And then once you are done, you can click on the space type and the style and click on generate. And then we're gonna wait a couple of seconds and we're gonna get the results, which are these ones. As you can see, the furniture appear where we drew, basically, okay? So we can be much more precise on where we want the furniture to appear, okay? And here we have the example of the dining area.